Well, I'll admit sometimes I find it easier to just do a short video rather than a bunch of screenshots with arrows. In this case, we were talking about the reservation system, and it's been moving forward. So we've had to rejigger the menus just a little bit. So when you go to front desk, you'll see that you've got the check-in screen, which is basically where we're at. Reservations, photos, and visits. But let's go to the reservations. We were talking about what sort of reporting, since we don't yet have enforcement to limit the number of reservations, at a minimum, you would be able to take a look at upcoming reservations and, as you can see, download that information. So in this case, let's say we want to look at a couple of upcoming days, 17th and 18th and 19th. And now that I've selected those, I click apply. And you'll see that I've got everyone who's got a reservation, their name, their time, and what facility they have reserved. So we've got a total of 34 reservations, not a whole lot of people coming to the pool. Maybe that's good. But again, you can download this and sort it in any way. At a minimum, this would be a way for your front desk people to even have a report printed out at the beginning of the day so they know who's coming and when. Otherwise, they can toggle back and forth between check-in and reservations to see, who's due to be there. The other thing to show is, there is also this area where administrators set up what the reservation calendar will look like for the various facilities: main pool, lap pool, baby pool, whatever else. So this is the other place where you can quickly see what reservations have been made for a particular day. So let me click here on reservations. You'll see the various facilities in this drop-down menu. Let's look at the main pool for upcoming reservations. And all you need to do is, well, it's a couple things, right? Obviously, you hover over any of these and you'll see how many spots are available and how many have been taken, basically. So looks like Thursday, the 18th at 8 a.m., I've got 6 reservations and 94 spots available. 100 people can come to the main pool. The other option for looking at what the reservations are is to click at the header, and then you'll see every family or every account that has made reservations for a given day. So in this case, 8 to 10, you've got the whole Taylor family coming. 10:30 to 12:30, the Namath Parker family. Mohammed's coming at 1 to 3:30, and then Sherry Richardson and her gang coming from 3:30 to 5. Now, obviously, there could be many, many more people, but again, this is a place where your front desk could toggle back and forth if they wanted to take a look at who's appearing at what time frame and are they on the list. Okay, I think that is it for now. Hopefully, this helps.